boat on Oncombe Park Lake. It's a small two-stroke engine which was fitted with a centrifugal clutch. The clutch turned the propeller when the accelerator was opened up, and when the boat was idle, then the engine would tick over without turning the propeller. It's also quite rare because it has a two-stroke oil injection into the carburettor many years before the Japanese did it on motorbikes. I don't know whether this is where they got the idea, but anyway, I hope that's of interest.